Hey guys, today we'll be talking about 3D points and lines. So now that you know what 3D projection is, it's time to actually plot something. Let's start with something simple like points and lines. As you remember, in 2D we use the xplot method to plot lines and the xscatter method to plot points. They both have counterparts in 3D, xplot 3D and xscatter 3D respectively. So without any further ado, let's plot a line in 3D. Let's use some trigonometry to plot a spiral. So here are the imports, and here we set projection to 3D. Let's define the data first. So z, x and y. Here we're using some trig functions. And then let's plot using the plot 3D method. So we pass x, y, z and g for color. We want the spiral to be green. Let's run this code and we get a beautiful green spiral in 3D. And now let's plot some points. We can use the same example as before, but let's reduce the number of points to 200. So instead of 1000, let's make it 200, so that we can see them as separate points. So the other parts of this code are the same. We have z, x and y, and now let's plot using the scatter 3D method instead of plot 3D. And now the color should be red. Let's run the code, and this is what we get. Points. As you can see, the points that are further away from us in 3D are more faded than the ones closer to us. Good. That's it as far as lines or points are concerned, and in the next video we're talking about 3D contour plots. Hey guys, my name is Kamel and I'm a Python programmer, and today I would like to talk about my book, GUI Programming with Python and Kivy. Now in this book we're creating a project from scratch.
Oh, no.
Now here you can see some samples from the book. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this book, you will find the links to it down in the description below. So, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you will have at least as much fun reading my book as I had writing it. So, see you around. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.